Hey there, Flex Finesse crew. Are you ready to elevate your summer style and turn heads with confidence? Welcome to your ultimate guide for men's fashion in summer 2024. Let's dive into the essentials that will keep you looking fresh, cool, and effortlessly stylish. First on the list, the linen shirt. A summer must-have, linen shirts are both stylish and breathable, perfect for those scorching hot days. This year, pastel colors and relaxed fits are the trend. Linen shirts give off a laid-back, I own a yacht vibe, even if you're just chilling at the beach. Whether you're splurging on a high-end Luca Filoni piece or going for a budget-friendly option from Uniqlo, there's a linen shirt for every budget. Plus, the natural fibers of linen ensure maximum comfort and airflow, keeping you cool no matter the heat. Next up, the knit polo. This piece adds texture and depth to your summer wardrobe, embracing retro vibes while keeping you cool. Pair it with shorts or linen trousers for a look that's both casual and refined. With stripy textured styles making a comeback, knit polos are perfect for dodging the summer heat and looking effortlessly stylish. The blend of breathable fabrics like cotton and luxurious cashmere makes these polos a versatile addition to any wardrobe. Let's talk about the camp collar shirt, making a big return in 2024. With its laid-back collar and straight hem, it's perfect for any summer occasion. Opt for bold prints and vibrant colors to make a statement. Whether you're at a backyard BBQ or sipping drinks on a rooftop, this shirt gives off serious vacation vibes and can be dressed up or down. The camp collar shirt's relaxed fit allows for better air circulation, keeping you comfortable and chic. Moving on to the tank top, a versatile piece for layering any summer outfit. It's all about comfort without sacrificing style. For those sweltering days, a tank top is essential. Keep it simple and stylish for a cool, casual look. Tank tops made from moisture-wicking fabrics can help keep you dry and comfortable, making them perfect for active days or lounging by the pool. When it comes to pants, linen trousers are a summer 2024 staple. They offer the perfect balance between comfort and elegance. Go for neutral tones like beige, white, or navy to mix and match easily with your tops. And don't forget about shorts. From tailored to casual, there's a pair for every occasion. The key is in the fit. Make sure they're just right, not too tight or too loose. Linen trousers not only look sophisticated, but also provide excellent breathability, making them ideal for warm weather. Finally, let's discuss footwear. Clean sneakers like the Adidas Samba are still dominating the summer scene with their timeless design. For a touch of sophistication, loafers are your go-to. Both options are perfect for rounding off your summer look. Sneakers offer comfort and versatility, while loafers add a polished finish to your ensemble. Stay stylish, stay cool, and make this summer your most fashionable one yet. Remember, your style is a reflection of your confidence and personality. Own it, and make every day a fashion statement. With the right pieces, you can transform your summer wardrobe and step out with newfound confidence and flair. Whether you're hitting the beach, attending a casual outing, or simply enjoying a day in the sun, these fashion tips will help you look and feel your best.